Hello students, welcome back to Magnet Maths. Today we are going to learn 7th grade maths, chapter number 17, data handling exercise 17.4. And the question number 1 is, what is the probability of the sun rising from the east tomorrow? So first we will understand the meaning of probability. Probability means chances. Okay, so here now we will read again. What is the chances of the sun rising from the east tomorrow? So dear students, as you know, this is a certain event because the sun always rises in the east, right? So in probability, a certain event has a probability of 1 or 100%. Okay, so of course tomorrow sun will rise from the east. So our answer will be 1 or 100%. 100% tomorrow this is going to happen. Okay, let's check the next one. Identify each of the following statement as experiment, event, or outcome. Okay, so first we will understand these three words, different between these three. So I'm writing here, the first one is experiment. So experiment is action. Okay, action, and the result is unknown. We don't know the result of this action. Result unknown. Suppose we want to do something but we don't know the result. What will be the result? So this action is called the experiment. And the second one is event. Event, these are just a keywords to, if you will keep this in mind, it will be easy for you to identify. So event may is equal to maybe this will happen or not. Okay, like that. So maybe event, you remember this maybe, we will explain further. And the third one is outcome. So outcome means result. Okay, you can say here result of experiment. So now we will check first here, tossing two coins together. So this is an action. We just toss the two coins together. That means this is an action we are doing. So this is experiment. You will check here. Experiment means action. Okay, and we don't know what will happen if we will toss the two coins together. The probability are more. Maybe we will get the different numbers. So we don't know. We are doing just action and we don't know the result. So that is called experiment. So our first answer will be experiment. Okay, let's check the B1. Rolling a dice. Again, this is the same case. We are just rolling a dice. We don't know the result. So, action and result unknown. That is experiment. The next one, choosing two marbles from a jar. Okay, we are going to choose two marbles from a jar, but we don't know the result. Okay, so this is again a experiment and we don't know the result. So experiment. And here D1 is tossing two coins and getting a head and a tail. We toss two coins and we got a head and a tail. So this is the result we got. So result of experiment is called outcome. So here our answer will be outcome. Okay, I hope you understood well. So let's check the next one. Okay, students, let's check question number 3. Describe each of the following statements as impossible, less likely, even chance, very likely, or certain. So here, first we will try to understand all this term, then we will solve further. So here, impossible. So impossible means that cannot happen. Okay. Less likely means few chances. If okay, even chances means 50-50. and very likely means more than 50% chances. Okay, and here certain means 100% chances. Okay, so I'm now providing one image so for your better understanding. So if you will check this chat, impossible means that cannot happen. If you are rolling a dice and you are expecting number 7, that cannot happen because a dice can have only up to 6 numbers. And here second less likely means picking a red ball from a bag with 1 red and 5 blue balls. So here the inside the ball there is only 1 red ball and other ball are blue, but you want to pick that red ball, so there is less chances that you can pick that ball. And the next one is even chance. Even chance means 50-50 chances. Okay, you have equal chances. So here picking a red ball from a bag with 5 red and 5 blue balls. So there is a bag and you want to, if you want to choose red ball, you can, maybe you can pick or maybe you cannot. So there is a 50-50% chances. The next one is very likely, that the example is picking a red ball from a bag with 8 red and 2 blue balls. So there are only 2 blue balls and you want to pick red ball, so you can easily pick. There are more than 50% chances, so that is called very likely. And the next one is certain. Certain means 100% that is going to happen. So in this case, picking a red ball from a bag with only red balls, there is on in the bag there is only red balls and you want to pick one red ball, so definitely you can pick. So that is called certain. Okay, so let's check the example here. A1 is it will rain tomorrow in Bangalore. So rain in Bangalore is common, so maybe or may not be. So it's like 50-50% chances. So the our first answer will be even chance. So and we have to describe, we have to give explanation also. So here we will write explanation. So our explanation will be rain in Bangalore is common, especially during monsoon season. Okay, so we have to give a brief explanation also for each condition. So here B, if a dice is thrown, it will be an odd number. So if you know students, so a dice can have up to 6 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So here number of odd numbers and number of even number. Okay, so here odd numbers 1, 3 and 5, and even number 2, 4 and 6. The number of odd numbers are 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and out of 6, okay, that means 1 by 2. That means half chance. Half chance means 50% chances. Okay, so if we throw a dice, it will be an odd number, so it have even chances. Maybe we will get odd number, maybe we will get even number. Okay, because a dice consists of 3 odd number and 3 even number. Okay, so we will write the answer properly. So our B answer will be even chance. So our explanation will be a dice consists of 3 even and 3 odd numbers. Okay. Let's check the C1. In the next winter, it will snow in Srinagar. Okay, so if you know students, in Srinagar, almost every winter there is snowfall. So it's more than 50% chances that in the next year also it will snow in Srinagar. So our answer will be very likely. So our answer will be very likely, more than 50% chances. So explanation will be, in Srinagar, snowfall occurs almost every winter. Okay. And the last one is, if you solve all the questions correctly, you will pass the maths test. So obviously, if you solve all the questions correctly, you will pass the maths test. So here answer will be 100%. If you will solve the all the question correctly, 100% you will pass. Okay, we are not talking about scoring high. We are just here talking about passing the exam. So if you solve all the question correctly, 100% you will pass the maths test. So our answer will be certain. And we will write here explanation. If we solve each question correctly, 100% we will pass. Okay, I hope students you understood this question very well. So this was the last question of this exercise. So let's see you in the next exercise. Thank you so much.